I'll just get closer, ain't it? It's definitely coming from Scott that way. I ain't trying to see no ET though. I'm scared of them things. No, I'm serious. That's my worst nightmare. And I'm in my